Alla, my lovely wife. Since our first conversation, I've always known deep inside that there was a feeling that would drive me towards you forever.
John Michael Toast, you have made all my dreams come true. I love how you lift me up and tell me I'm beautiful, how you work hard at everything you do, and how you accept me and all my flaws.
Well, you looked me in the eyes and you said it, and your face can say it all, so I know you meant it.
I was actually in class and she talked to me for like probably an hour. It was an optional lab, so we didn't even have to be there. And just ever since that conversation, it was like, it wasn't even in like my head, but it was like in my heart, where I just knew like, you can't give up, man. You gotta make it happen with this girl. So. She has been the opposite of a bridezilla this whole time. She's been so generous and patient, and especially with all the changes, she's been so good. And I'm just happy to see her dolled up and ready to go in her big, beautiful dress.
In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home.
We're right here, a big fancy dress. Wow. You look so beautiful.
Thanks.
I saw you standing there with an open heart and with open arms. You welcomed me. I heard you speak my name. The thunder and lightning pierced through the shadows as you welcomed me. As you welcomed me. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back
Lord, we're grateful for these two beautiful people who you created before the foundation of the earth, even for this moment, to meet each other, to fall in love, to commit themselves, to serve one another, and care for one another. Lord, we're grateful for our friendship with them, and we're grateful to be witnesses to this beautiful work that you are doing right here in this place.
Only God could have crafted such a beautiful, resourceful, independent, and loving woman like you. We have already grown so much together, and I cannot wait to see what God has planned for us.
I vow to always love you, to always be kind and respect you. I look forward to growing with you individually and as a whole. I choose you and will continue to choose you today and every day. I love you, and that's the beginning and end of everything.
I vow to love you, support you, and protect you. I promise to honor and cherish you in good times and bad, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health. I vow to love you with all of my heart, all the rest of days of my life.
So what God has joined together, let no man separate. John, my good man, yes, you may kiss your bride.
You're gonna need somebody. You're gonna need somebody. Let it be me. Gonna need somebody. Gonna need somebody. Gonna need somebody. Gonna need somebody.
John was the one when he could keep up with all of our hikes. And I did not believe you when you told me he was just a friend in the beginning. I was like, no, there's something else going on here.
I wish I could stand up here and say something embarrassing about Joe Michael, but I really don't have anything on him. He's really like the little brother that I never got to have, and the older brother that I like always aspired to be.
For the good and the bad and the ugly and everything in between, gonna need somebody. So let it be me.
Paul and I just wanted to thank all four of you from the bottom of our hearts for everything that you've done for us throughout our lives, and most of all, you have brought God into both of our lives. Thank you, and we love you both so much.
You're gonna need somebody. You're gonna need somebody.
Welcome to the Toast family.